This product is built with dual-mode positioning system, equipped with high-precision gyroscope, setting it height with barometer, achieving consistency and super stability during flight. Friendly user control setting from single-key takeoff and landing to every aspect of control within your fingertip. GPS function allows smooth alignment and signal search. Stable hovering. Automatic recording at takeoff. Same time come with the below features. 1. Low battery signal, return to starting point. 2. Remote control, return to starting point. 3. Drone out of range, lose frequency, automatically return to controlled range or return to starting point. The Wi-Fi real-time image transmission with 120-degree camera view and adjustable angle with 75 degrees, adjusting of the angle remote control. Experiencing the feel of a camera on your fingertip and record the wonderful moment of flight instantly.